New built 3-bedroom 2-bath cottage in Bemus Point Schools with deeded lake rights has an open floor plan. Park your boat or jet ski at the Greenhurst Lake Association that is walking distance from your cottage. You will love this Greenhurst neighborhood that has so much to offer. Walking distance to the community park, post office, restaurants, and shopping and Chautauqua Lake. This new build has 1,328 square feet on a 5,500 square foot lot. New blacktop driveway for parking. First floor primary suite with full bath and a walk-in closet. First floor laundry. The second floor has a 12 by 24 bedroom that has plenty of room for sleeping or could also be a game room for the family. Force air and spray foam insulation to ensure temperature comfort all year round. Rocking or swinging on this